The following touched me deeply. I will read it for you. You fell in a hole. Now I know what that feels like, and you know what it feels like to be in a deep, dark hole. People around you ask, what hole are you in? They don't have any clue how you feel deep inside. You feel like you're all alone in the world and nobody sees how you are hurting. They will say things like, pull yourself together. Come, be grateful for what you have and things like that, because people don't know. But you don't know how to pull yourself out of it. You don't. But then another special one sees you and says, I am here for you. I am on my way down. Somebody who is willing to come down the deep dark hole that you are in. I've been there before. I know you are feeling all alone in the world. I know how to get out. I'll help you to get out. There is always somebody that is willing to reach out and take your hand and help you out. And let me tell you something. If nobody in this world reaches out to take your hand to help you out of your dark hole, there is always one person, and that is you. You can do it. You can help yourself. You can do it. God is always there for you. Always, even though you don't see God. And I believe that God's angels are there. So that one person is willing to help you out. That's God's angel helping you. And if there is nobody for you, there is you. You. Yes, you. You, me. We are strong enough. Yes, you are strong enough. You are strong. Stronger than you think you are. You can. You can be your own best friend. You know yourself. You are your own best friend. You can do it. Accept what is. Let go of what was. Have faith in what will be. What is. It's there. It is a fact like a cow. Nothing is going to change it. The sooner you accept fully 100% what is, and let go, not pretending that everything is okay and oh, it's okay whatever people did to you or whatever hand you were dealt with. No, let go means let the weight go off your shoulders. Give it to God. Let it go. Let God deal with it. Let go of what was. What was is water under the bridge. It will never be like that again. And have faith, 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 faith in what will be. Why? Because you can. You believe in yourself. You love yourself. You can. Hope. H-O-P-E, hope. I know people always talk about hope and hope and hope, and then you think, oh yeah, hope, hope, hope. Hope can mean hold on, pain ends. If you hang on to this meaning of hope, there is hope for you. Your mind is a very, very, very powerful tool. Your mind, what you are thinking, 24/7. What are you thinking? Your mind will always and always believe everything, everything you tell it. If you tell your mind, oh, I feel so sorry for myself, I'm a victim, that's what your mind believes. Your subconscious mind is very, very, very powerful. Feed your mind, feed it hope, feed it with love. It's up to you. You feed your mind with what you want in your life. If you want to feed your life with negative thoughts all the time, your mind will believe you. Definitely, if you tell your mind and think loving thoughts like you love yourself and there is hope, then there is hope. Your mind will always believe everything you tell it. Everything. That is something to think about. Try to change your thoughts day by day, baby steps. Try and change what you are thinking. Instead of thinking, I can't do that, think, I can do it. Even though you think and you believe and you know you cannot do it, just start pretending. Fake it until you make it. Say, I can do it. I can. I am stronger than I think I am. I love myself. I'm here for me. You. There's only one you in the whole wide world. You can do it. You can do it. Of course, you've done it so far. You can do it. You can. Whatever your circumstances, you think and believe you can. I know you can. If I can do it, you can do it. Good luck.